Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crosshair X black screen. Alright, so first up, you want to go ahead and go to Steam, open it up, find Crosshair X and make sure that it is not running. Just click on stop, hit on confirm, wait for a few seconds. And once that's done, as you can see here, it's still running in the background. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and find a game bar running in the background. Windows plus G, we have here Crosshair X extension. Just unpin it for now. Once done, tap away. All right. Now after that, go ahead and right click on Crosshair X, properties right here, install files, verify integrity of game files. Okay, just wait for it. Close this one. After that, click on launch right here. And once it's opened, check if it helps. If that still won't work, again, close it, stop, confirm. Right click on it, properties. Now under general, we have here launch options. Click on the drop down, select launch in safe mode, hardware acceleration disabled. So click on it and go ahead and close it. Launch again right here. So once you have the Crosshair X launched via safe mode, you can now go ahead over to options, okay, and go ahead and find hardware acceleration and make sure that this one is turned off. Okay, now go ahead and click on restart the app. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still will work, well, your last option is by using, under here, we have display modes and game bar. Okay, make sure that you use game bar. Now, if you don't know how to set up game bar for Crosshair X, we have a separate video for that. You just go ahead and look it up. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Okay, I'm just going to be showing you right here. I'm going to enable game bar, Windows plus G. There you go. I'm going to pin it. Now we have our crosshair. Okay, that's basically it. That's how we fix a Crosshair X black screen. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.